everyone and welcome back to another video with Learn at No Star. While performing data analysis, in particular statistical analysis, it is a common requirement to find out the mean, median and mode of the dataset. Let's see how we can find these three values in SQL. So first we are going to create a temporary table and define an integer column in the table. Next we are going to insert into a table a series of numbers. So now we have 7 numbers in our table, and first we are going to find out the mean in this series of numbers. Calculating the mean value is really straightforward because mean is nothing but an average of these values. So we are going to use the average function on the number column, call it as mean from a temporary table. So we are going to run all these queries and the mean comes out to be 4. So the arithmetic mean is defined as the sum of the data points divided by the number of the data points. So here we have 7 distinct numbers. So we have 7 data points, and if we sum up the value of all these numbers, it will come to 32. So 32 divided by 7 should be your mean value. Now we know that 32 divided by 7 is not an integer as it is giving us using the average function. This is because we have defined our number values as an integer data type. If there would have been a float data type, then our answer would have been correct using the average function. But let's say we are getting the input as integers, but we still want the correct mean value. So now what we are going to do is change the data type of our column in our query itself. So we are going to cast the number as float. And now execute our query and we are going to get the correct value. Now moving on to our next calculation of the median. A median is defined as something like a middle value. So to find the median, the first step is to sort your data points in an ascending manner. So this is your sorted data points, and then you have to find the middle value. So the middle value here is 4. Because there are 3 data points above it and 3 data points below it. In other words, we are trying to find a value which is 50th percentile of this data set. So finding the median with the Windows Analytics functions is really straightforward and easy. The function that we are going to use is the percentile underscore cont function, which will find the percentile on a continuous distribution. And because we want to find the 50th percentile, we are going to pass 0.5 to it. And then we have to specify within group and order by the number. And we can just leave the over clause empty because we are trying to find it on the whole data set, and call it as median from our table. Now if we run this query, it's going to give us 7 records in the output because it's a Windows function, so it calculates the value for each row. So we are going to add a distinct here and get a median from all these list of values. Now let's say we had one more value. So we had 7 data points, which is an odd number of data points. So it was easy to find out the middle data point. If we had one more value, to make it into an even number of data points and you try to find out the median. Now since you have 2 middle values, it would have been an average of the 2 middle values. So 4 plus 6 divided by 2, which is 5. Now moving on to the next calculation, which is mode. Mode is defined as the most frequent value. So if we take a look at our series of numbers, we can see that all the numbers appear once except the number 2 that appears 2 times. So the most frequent value in our list is going to be 2. So to calculate the mode, we need to count how many times these values occur, and then we are going to use the Windows function rank to rank these values in ascending or descending order. So we can select number, and then we are going to use rank over order by count star descending as rank from our table, and we are going to group by the number itself. So if we execute this query, We are going to get a rank for each value in our series based on how many times it occurs. So we can see that the number 2 has a rank of 1 and all the others have a rank of 2 because they appear only one time and 2 appears 2 times. Now since we want to select the value which has the rank of 1, we can put this within a CTE called CTE underscore rank. And now we can write a simple select query to select that number from a CTE where rank is equal to 1. So you will get the number that has the most frequent occurrence or which is the mode of the series. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you found the video useful, then please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like, comment and share this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.